Hello everyone, my name is Nikita and I'm the technical program manager with the Google search team. I often get a lot of questions as I interact with a lot of developers at the community events and on my social media apps asking about my journey as a professional and how did I land a job at Google. Sometimes it's not easy to interact via chats, so I thought why not create this video where I can share more about my journey as a professional and share some tips and tricks that can help you excel in your journey as professionals. Well, it may not be easy for me to cover everything through this video because one, I'm not a video friendly person, and two, you may not feel entertained and engaged through the end, and hence I'm going to divide this video into parts. In this video, you're going to learn more about my journey as a professional after I graduated and what did I do to get my first job in the industry. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I graduated from Cummins College of Engineering, Pune, and I graduated as an IT engineer. After I graduated, I had a lot of questions and I pretty much felt stuck about what I should be doing as an engineer. That was mostly because I didn't want to pursue engineering by myself and I was pushed by my parents to become an engineer. Two, because I didn't have a lot of guidance from professionals around, I did not know how to step my first toe in the industry. I did not have proper guidance which could help me get my first job in the industry. That being said, I was taking some time after I graduated, at least a few weeks before I started my job with a startup in Pune. If you want to know more about which startups I worked with and all of that, you always have my information on LinkedIn. But this is more about my journey, so I'm going to focus more about the characters in my journey and the experience I had here. Well, before I talk to you more about my experience with the startup and how I applied and how I got shortlisted for this, let me tell you a little bit more about myself. So, I was always attached with the communities while I was a student. I used to host a lot of workshops as a volunteer and speaker at a lot of forums in Pune. That engaged and enforced me to continue my journey as a community volunteer or an organizer. So after I graduated, I was contributing to a lot of community meetups as a volunteer, including the GDG Pune and the Women Tech Makers Pune group. I was also leading the Pi Ladies Pune group as an organizer. So from there, I used to host a lot of community workshops for developers around the city. This is where I got to interact with community organizers, co-community organizers like me, who were industry professionals who had plethora of industry experience. While I was working with the community organizers like me, one of them was leading his own startup and offered me a job at his place. And because I knew that it was a small entity which could give me the exposure I wanted, I decided to take this opportunity with the startup. At the startup, I worked as a test software tester and I also worked as the product lead. Here, I got the opportunity to lead the product marketing strategy, get feedback from the market about the product that we were working on, test it within the developer team we had in the organization, and again dispatch the product back to the market. This gave me the experience I needed to understand what does the product marketing strategy looks like. It gave me the opportunity to test software products through manual testing and automated testing, and it also gave me the opportunity to work with product designers who were the masterminds behind taking the UI side of things to the market. Now, this is where I could not just stick myself to a role where I had to do limited set of things, but I got the exposure to experiment and explore different variety of tasks, which gave me the confidence to understand what is it that I want to continue further in my journey as a professional. Unfortunately, within 6 months of time, the startup had to take a pause because of some financial constraints that the startup was facing. But that didn't stop me from getting my next opportunity with another startup in Pune. This is where I was core hired for the role of a software developer, and hence I developed a lot of mobile apps and websites using different technologies, including React JS, Flutter, and a lot of web development technologies. But I also got the opportunity to again work on taking the products that we were developing to the market. So we had hired a marketing agency, and I had the chance to work with the product designers there, the marketing team there, who could give me the opportunity to engage with cross functional teams, which actually helped me understand how different types of individuals work in the industry. I also got the opportunity to create the product roadmap for the products that we were developing, which was my stepping stone towards creating project management roadmaps for different products that I was contributing to. Now, this is where I got ignited with the idea that I should be launching my own startups that can help the developer ecosystem. Well, I think this video already has been a little bit long and maybe it's difficult to stick around. So why not create another video where I will share more about my journey leading startups as a co-founder and an entrepreneur, following to which I would also share about my preparation for my journey at Google. And in between, I'm going to drop some tips and tricks that can help you prepare for your journey for any company that you're aspiring for in this ecosystem. All right. I'm actually feeling a little bit nervous because this is my very first video. So please make sure that you support my video by liking it, sharing it with as many folks who might benefit from this content, and also like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask them in the chat section, and I'll be happy to answer them in my free time. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.